Here is Winter. Winter's a boy, and Willow is beside Winter. Willow's the green one, and Willow is possibly a girl. Here is Sunny Sunday, a girl, and Blue, possibly a boy. These are my beloved birds. I have many birds that I love, but these are my inside birds, and I have thousands of outside birds that I love. So I guess I have many birds. Hey there, babies. Hi, Sunny Sunday. Do you love Mama, Sunny Sunday? You do, don't you? You love Mama. You love Mama. Blue, do you love Mama? Yes, you love Mama. Yes, you love Mama. Winter and Willow, do you love Mama? You love Mama, huh? Mama loves all of you. I love you all. I love you all. Beautiful birds. Beautiful. And you're so cute. Yes, you are. Look at you. You're so cute. Look how cute you are. Look at yourselves. Look how cute you are. Kiss. Kiss each other. Kiss each other. Go ahead. Kiss each other. Winter, Willow. Kiss each other. Go ahead. It'd be cute. You're on camera. You're on camera. Yes, thank you. A better kiss. Better kiss. Yes, good job. Good job. Good job. Aww. Well, that's sweet. That's a sweet kiss. Thank you. Sweet kiss. Yes. Good job. Aww. Very, very sweet. I love you all. You're so smart. Yes, you are. You're so smart. Very intelligent birds. I'm very impressed. Now let's take a look at Sunny Sunday and Blue. Sunny Sunday and Blue are a couple. Pretty much a couple or a playmates. Let's see you two kiss. Sunny Sunday, come back here. You're going to kiss Blue. Come here, Sunny Sunday. They always kiss. Come here, Sunny Sunday. Oh, Sunny Sunday's grumpy. Are you a grumpy bird? Are you going to be grumpy bird? You're going to be grumpy bird. No, you're just going to be quiet bird, huh? You're a quiet bird. Is that it? Oh, she's tired. Are you tired, sweetheart? You go to sleep, okay, honey? Winter, are you going to kiss Blue? These are how the birds interact with each other. They are very social and very touchable birds. They're very, very affectionate. Yeah, they're very affectionate. See you guys hug. Hug. Or kiss. Kissing is like hugging, I guess, to them. Hug and kiss. Hug and kiss. Well, Sunny Sunday and Blue usually kiss each other, and Willow and Winter usually kiss each other. Hi there, babies. Kiss. Kiss. Let's see you two kiss, Winter and Willow. Let's see you two kiss. You don't have to. Hi, Willow. Blue. You're on camera, Blue. Look at me, Blue. Smile. Blue, smile. Let's see you smile, Blue. Let's see you smile. Let's see you smile. Sunny Sunday. Let's see you smile. Sunny Sunday. Okay, you're gonna eat. Winter, let's see you smile. Winter, let's see you smile. Let's see you smile. Winter, look at me. Look at the camera. Willow, look at the camera. Smile. Smile. Oh. Let's see you smile. Let's see you smile, Willow. Let's see you smile. Let's see you smile. Let's see you smile. Well, that's a beautiful smile. Oh, I love these birds so much. Birds are like my own children. I love them. And I do have my favorites. I have my favorites that are outside and my inside birds. I can't help it. I just have my favorites. Just like most of us has our favorites of and animals. But I feel like they're my own children, like many people feel like their pets are their kids. Yep, you're my babies. You're my babies. I have many babies inside and outside. I have 4 babies inside and I have many babies outside, the birds. Yep, I sure love birds. I'm a bird person. I didn't always love birds. It was just in the recent past few years, I just fell in love with them. Before, I was like, oh, there's a bird, okay. But now, it's like, oh, I love you. It's a deep love. I love you, bird, so much. So much it hurts sometimes. Because I care about you. I want to make sure all of you are safe and happy. Your happiness is important to me. All the birds. Well, some birds make me mad. Some birds hurt other birds. And if I love that bird, well, it's a good thing I love them. But if I don't care too much about them because they're predators, it breaks my heart that they can hurt other birds. Hi there, babies. Hi. Smile, Blue. You're on camera. Where's Willow? There you are, Willow. Can I have a smile, Willow? Can I have... Oh, that's a beautiful smile. Look at you. Look how cute you are. Look at you. Look at all of you. Look at yourselves. You're so cute. Look at yourselves. You're so cute. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Tweety birds. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. And I'm gonna hug you. Yeah, I'm gonna hug you. Look at yourselves. You're so cute. Look at you. Look at you. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Look at yourselves. Look how cute you are. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at you. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at yourselves. I'm gonna get you. 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 Let's play which. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Tweety birds. I'm gonna get you. And I'm gonna hug you. Oh, they love that game. I act like I'm a witch. And I creep up on them. And I say, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Tweety birds. And they're like, they love it. And I tell them I'm gonna hug them. So, but not really, because they don't like hugs. Okay, well, we will record another day or another time. Another time. Another day is another time. I'm just chatting away, aren't I? You're so cute. Oh, there's Sunny Sunday. Willow. Willow, come see Mama. Come see Mama. Come see Mama. I love you. I love all of you. Sunny Sunday, come here. Come here, baby. I missed you. You've been eating. Come here. Smile, Sunny Sunday. Smile. Smile, baby. Sunny Sunday. Are you being shy for the camera? Are you being camera shy? It's okay. But you're so pretty. Can we see your face? Can we see your face, Sunny Sunday, please? Let me see your face for the camera. Sunny Sunday. You being shy. You being a shy bird. You being a shy bird. You have a beautiful face. Can I see it? Can I see your face? Sunny Sunday. Can I see your face? Oh, she's a shy bird. She didn't want nobody seeing her face. You want nobody seeing your face. Is that it? I'll have to sneak and look at your face. Sunny Sunday, I almost saw your face. I almost saw your face, but you're so cute. Okay, we will record Willow, because Willow has a beautiful face. Don't you, baby? You have a beautiful face. Look at you. Look how pretty you are. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. That's a beautiful face of yours, Willow. Aww. A beautiful smile. Yes. So pretty. Yes, you sure are. I see Winter and Blue. Look at those two faces. So gorgeous. Gorgeous faces. Gorgeous faces. Look at you. Look how adorable you are. Oh, you're all so cute. I love you. Even if you were ugly, I would love you just as much. Maybe even more. You're so cute. You're so beautiful. All birds are beautiful. Hey, Sunny Sunday, can I see your face now? Sunny Sunday. Sunny Sunday, can I see your face? It's a Kodak moment. Come on. Smile. Sunny Sunday, smile. For the camera. And you just gotta be shy. Come on, baby. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Yes, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Sunny Sunday, can I see your face? You have a beautiful face, Sunny Sunday. Come on. Let me see your face. I may have to kind of startle her to get her to look up. There we go. Sunny Sunday, let me see your face. Yes, look at you. Look how cute you are. Look at you. Look at you, Sunny Sunday. You're so cute. You're so pretty. Look at you. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look at you. You're so pretty. You have a beautiful face, just like Willow and just like Winter and Blue. Oh, I love all of you. Smile, Sunny Sunday, smile. Look at the camera. Smile, honey. Look at the camera. She's camera shy. She sure is. Sunny Sunday. Look at the camera. There we go. Aw. Smile. Yes. Can you smile for the camera? You smile. Oh. Well, that's a pretty smile. That's a pretty smile. Look how pretty you are. All of you are pretty. Let me see you, Willow. You like the camera, Willow, don't you? Yes, you do. You like the camera. You're not camera shy. You have a beautiful smile. You could be a movie star, Willow. Yes, you want to be a movie star? Who wants to be a movie star? Winter, you want to be a movie star? Willow does, don't you? Blue, do you want to be a movie star? Come here, Blue. Let's get you in front of the camera. Willow wants to be a movie star. Come here, Blue. Oh, look. And here's a star. Yeah, here's a star. You're a star, Blue. Look at you. You're a star. And so are you, Sunny Sunday. See? I can see you through the star. So cute. Oh, I love you. I love all of you. Look how beautiful all of you are. Like I said, if you were ugly, you would be even more pretty. Because I'll tell you a secret. It's the inside that is beauty. It's true. It is true. But outside beauty is good too. But your inside beauty just radiates. It radiates. I love all of you so much. Sunny Sunday, come here. Come here, babies. Oh, Blue, Sunny Sunday. You too tired? Is it nap time? Yeah, you two are tired, aren't you? You're two movie stars. Look at you. Look at you two. You want to be movie stars? Yes, you do, Blue, don't you? You want to be a movie star, Blue? You would like that, wouldn't you? Yes, you would. You'd make a good movie star. So would you, Sunny Sunday. All of you would. All of you would. Oh, I just love these birds. I'm crazy about them. I can't be gone for like 5 minutes. I already miss them. The same with the birds outside. I'm like bird crazy. Anybody who knows me knows I'm bird crazy. But I didn't always used to be like that. It was just a few years ago is when I woke up, thank goodness. I woke up and I fell in love with birds. They're my world. Yep. What was I missing? I was missing a lot, huh? Yeah, I was missing a lot. Before, I didn't think about birds too much. But just a few years ago, I woke up and I fell in love with birds. And since then, I've been falling deeper and deeper in love with them. But it's more like a different levels of love, like of a family type of love. And a parent type of love. I just want to protect them. Just like anybody would their pet or their child, they want to protect them. That's how I feel about birds. I want to keep them all safe and keep them happy. I love happy birds. I do. I love happy birds. I love it when they're happy. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off, okay? Everyone want to say hi to everyone in there? Say hi. Say hi to everybody, Tweety birds. Would you say bye now? Say bye. Winter. Hey, I want to see your face, Winter. Turn around, honey. Turn around, honey. Winter. I see your face. Look at me, Winter. Look at the camera. Winter. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay. Say bye. Thank you.